Facing a Snapchat login error on your Android phone, there are a few possible fixes depending on what's causing the issue. Whether it's a network problem or an app glitch, follow this simple step-by-step guide to resolve it. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Poor internet connectivity can sometimes cause login issues. Swipe down from the top of your phone to open the controls panel. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check your network. You can also do the opposite and see if it works. After that, open a browser and search for fast.com. In here, if your internet speed shows too slow, then it's just a network problem. You can wait it out to improve on its own. Or you can contact your internet service provider for further help. Solution 2. Update the Snapchat app. Backdated app versions can sometimes cause login problems. So go to the Play Store, search for Snapchat. Now check for any available updates. Install any available updates and try logging in again. Solution 3. Clear Snapchat cache and data. Tap and hold on the Snapchat app on your screen again. Now tap the I button or app info. This time, open storage. Tap clear cache. After that, tap clear data. Confirm the action. Now all your Snapchat data will be removed and hopefully this will fix the bugs. Go back to the app and see if you can log in or not. Solution 4. Reinstall Snapchat. If all the previous solutions did not help, reinstalling Snapchat might do the trick. Tap and hold on to the Snapchat app icon. Now tap uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation. After that, go to the Google Play Store. Search for Snapchat. Install it once again. After reinstalled, your login error should be gone. Here's how you can fix the Snapchat login error on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips like this. Catch you in the next one.